Are you dealing with joint pain, stiffness from arthritis, or those random, painful muscle spasms that seem to come out of nowhere? You're not alone. And the good news? Relief may be closer than you think, right in your kitchen.
Today we're diving deep into natural herbal remedies that help ease pain, soothe inflammation, and support your joints and muscles without synthetic meds. I'll also show you how to turn these powerful herbs into healing drinks you can enjoy daily. Let's get started.
While prescription meds can help, they often come with side effects. That's why more people are turning to nature, using herbs that have been trusted for centuries. Let's look at some of the most effective natural remedies and how they work in your body. Turmeric is more than a kitchen spice. It's a powerhouse for joint health. Its active compound, curcumin, fights inflammation at the molecular level. Studies show it can help reduce joint pain, swelling, and even slow down arthritis progression.
Here's how to make golden milk, a traditional Ayurvedic remedy. You'll need 1 cup of milk, which can be plant-based or dairy, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper boosts the absorption of curcumin by 2000%. Optional ingredients include cinnamon, ginger, and honey for flavor. Warm it gently, whisk, and sip before bed. It not only eases joint pain, but it also promotes better sleep.
Next up is ginger, loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerol. Ginger helps reduce muscle spasms, joint pain, and boosts circulation.
Boil a few slices of fresh ginger in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Add lemon and honey, and you've got a tea that calms inflammation and relieves tension. Drink it after workouts or on chilly mornings when your joints feel stiff.
Boswellia, or Indian frankincense, is another powerful anti-inflammatory. It blocks the enzymes that cause joint inflammation and is especially effective for rheumatoid arthritis. It's most commonly taken as a capsule or extract, but you can mix Boswellia powder into warm water or tea if you tolerate the bitter taste. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle function. A deficiency can lead to cramps and spasms. Best sources: bananas, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, and magnesium-rich herbal teas like chamomile or nettles.
Here's a quick anti-spasm smoothie. 1 banana, a handful of spinach, almond milk, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, blend and enjoy.
Here are a few more herbal allies. Nettle leaf tea, packed with antioxidants and minerals, helps reduce inflammation and supports joint flexibility. Ashwagandha adaptogen that helps with muscle recovery, stress and inflammation. Willow bark tea, known as nature's aspirin, helpful for chronic joint pain. Avoid if you're sensitive to salicylates. Devil's claw, great for back pain and joint stiffness, taken as a capsule or tea.
Pick 1 or 2 of these remedies and start slow. Consistency is key. You can rotate between a turmeric latte at night, ginger tea in the morning, and a magnesium smoothie post-workout. Give your body time to respond, and always check with your doctor, especially if you're on medication. Your healing doesn't have to come in a bottle. Sometimes it starts with a warm cup of tea and a little help from nature. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who's struggling, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Super, drink well, move freely, live naturally.